Welcome to the tour of Sage West Loop Apartments, a modern high-rise built in 2023 in Chicago's bustling West Loop. Stepping inside Unit 1506, you're greeted by an open-concept kitchen, living, and dining area that immediately impresses with its west-facing orientation and fresh, modern design. This unit features a large balcony that almost spans the entire length of the living room. The floor-to-ceiling windows provide unobstructed west, north, and east views, with a sliver of the south, flooding the entire space with natural light and offering a warm, inviting atmosphere. The windows span to the north, wrapping back into the kitchen and amplifying the light that pours in throughout the day. The kitchen features overhead lighting, stylish chandeliers, and a peninsula with seating for bar stools, making it perfect for entertaining or casual meals. Heading into the first bedroom, you'll find a spacious layout with plenty of room for your furnishings and an attached walk-in closet with custom shelving for optimal organization. As you head east through the unit, there's a full-size, stackable washer and dryer conveniently located in a closet. Nearby, you'll find the spacious full bathroom, complete with a tub, floating vanity, and neutral tones ready for your personal touch. Moving into the primary ensuite bedroom, you'll enjoy a peaceful north-facing view, perfect for a serene bedroom setup with room for a bed, nightstand, and more. The organized closet offers ample storage, while the en-suite bathroom provides a luxurious walk-in shower and a spacious vanity for all your essentials. With a split floor plan, Unit 1506 provides added privacy between bedrooms, ideal for roommates, guests, or a home office. Beyond your apartment, Sage West Loop Apartments offers top-of-the-line amenities across 2 floors. Relax in the Sky Lounge and outdoor terrace, complete with grills and fire pits for social gatherings. Stay active in the state-of-the-art fitness center and yoga studio. For work-from-home days, the co-working spaces with private rooms provide the perfect setup. Plus, the pet-friendly environment includes a dog run and wash station. Living in the West Loop puts you right in the heart of the action-trendy restaurants, vibrant nightlife, and major corporate headquarters like Google and McDonald's have transformed this neighborhood into a cultural and business hub. Whether you're a UIC student, rush medical professional, or roommates looking for a fresh, exciting place to call home, the West Loop is where it all happens. Don't miss out on the chance to live in this brand new, stylish building in one of Chicago's most desirable neighborhoods. To explore rates and floor plans, connect with a leasing consultant to find your perfect luxury apartment. Visit YoChicago.com. Let's get you settled into your new West Loop home.